What's up guys, welcome to the Momentum Trading Lab, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my personal risk calculator for futures trading. I'm going to show you how to use it, where you can get it, and how you can import it into Notion. And without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, once the calculator has been imported into Notion, it will look something like this. So at the top of the widget, you will have your total equity. So let's say you have a 50k funded account. You can just enter 50k. If you have a 150k, just enter 150k. The next input is the percentage that you want to risk per trade. And then just below that, we have the different contract multipliers. So if you open this, you'll see we have NQ, ES, YM, CL, and then we have the respective micro contracts. The next one is your stop loss in points and your take profit in points. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to use this. All right, so let's say that we wanted to take this trade. The Nasdaq traded down into the London low liquidity, then started to displace away. So we could have potentially taken a trade as price retraced into this fair value gap with our stop loss at the previous low. And then we could have potentially targeted this high or that high over there. So just for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to put it to that high over there. All right, so now you come to your stop loss tool and you look at the stop loss value in points. In this case, it's 69.5. So now we are going to head over to the calculator and we are going to enter 69.5. We can also enter the TP, which is 201.75, 201.75. All right, so now we have the stop loss amount in and the take profit. So now you can press on calculate. All right, so it's going to tell you that you can enter with one Nasdaq contract to risk $1,390 and you will make $4,035. So let's say you had a 150k, or let's say you had a 50k account. Let's recalculate this. It's going to tell you that you have to use the micro contract. So then you just open the input list. You go down to MNQ, which is the Nasdaq micro. Press on calculate again. And then it will tell you that you can enter this trade with 3 micro contracts and you will risk $417 to potentially make $1,210. So that is how it works. And the idea with this is that it kind of lives with your trading journal. I'll put the link in the corner of this video. So I recently put out the checklist based trading journal, so you can fill it in as the trade plays out. So the idea is that it can kind of live together. All right, so let me quickly show you where you can access this. In the Momentum Trading Lab Discord, the link will be in the description, and just scroll down until you get the Momentum Trading Lab Trading School, and then right here at the bottom where it says Risk Calculator Futures, just open that, scroll up to the top, you'll see it says Notion Template, so you can just click on that. All right, then it will open this, and if you want to add this to your personal Notion account, there's a button right here that says Duplicate. You can just press on that button and then it will import this into your personal Notion account. All right, you'll see it added it right there, and then you can just simply move it to wherever you want it to be within your Notion navigation tab. All right, that's been the calculator. I developed this calculator myself. So if you found any value in this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.